Hey guys, just wanted to take a second and share why we use the vehicles that we use for our project consultants. You can see behind me Ford Escape. Our project consultants either drive Ford Escapes or Transit Connect vans. They're small, compact vehicles, but what you won't see us driving around are big lifted 3/4 ton pickup trucks just to run an appointment. Part of the reason for that is one of our company values is efficiency, and we don't really need a big 3/4 ton pickup truck just to haul a ladder and a few samples around. And what actually really surprised me one time is I went to a roofing conference and I looked out in the parking lot and there was all these jacked up huge trucks there, and the most that anyone had in the bed of their pickup truck was just a ladder. So we prefer to use more economic vehicles. They're a little better on maintenance, a little better on fuel, and we don't really have big inflated egos that we have to drive a big jacked up pickup truck around to haul our ladders. So when you see our project consultants out and about, you're going to see them in an efficient vehicle that helps us deliver a more efficient product for our clients. So thanks for checking in today. Just wanted to take a moment to share why we use what we use.